are privileged to have with us another global Filipina, another Pinoy pride na tinatawag. She is the CEO of Alegre de Pilipinas International. Please help us in welcoming Miss Janice Israel de Lima. Hello.
Welcome to the program, Miss Janice.
Hello, welcome po. Thank you for having me here. I really appreciate it a lot.
Yes.
It's our honor and privilege.
I wanted
Miss
to ask
Janice.
because some time ago, I think I saw a magazine cover and she looks like you there in the magazine. Were you a beauty queen then?
Yes, I was a beauty queen, and until now, you're always a queen. So
Yeah.
I was a queen here in Philippines and also in America recently as a Mrs. Great Lakes Earth 2022.
Mrs. Great Lakes
Earth that
Oh.
consists
Okay.
of 8 states.
8 states.
Wow.
So ako ang nanalo and I compete to national competition in Florida.
Oh, yeah. But
So you're from
right now you're fresh from your
Chicago.
Chicago. Yeah, you're
Para pala
Chicago
si Miss
resident.
Gloria
that is a
Papin,
part of
fresh
Great
from
Lakes.
Las Vegas,
Si
Nevada.
international ang mga guest
Illinois,
natin today.
Chicago, New York, so that is a part of our state. So I became the Mrs. Great Lakes Earth. And then, of course, I want also to enter the Filipinos pageantly. So I became the Mrs. International Universe Philippines 2023.
Wow,
Mrs.
last year
International
lang yun.
Universe. Siya naman Miss Universe ng buhay ko.
Always.
Always.
Yeah,
napatawa siya.
All right.
Mrs. Universe.
Yun daw dapat na title, pinakamagandang title.
Okay.
Anyway, Miss Janice, please tell us about Alegre de Pilipinas International. What is
Yeah.
this?
Well, Alegre de Pilipinas, people know me as really the person who likes to help. Parati kong advocacy yan. Nagbibigay ako in my personal money kahit ano na matulungan ko lang. So I really told God that, Lord, if I only have the chance and the way that matulungan natin
And the
yung ating
opportunity.
mga Filipinos, kababayan, di ba? So, Lord, ako yung tamang tao dyan kasi totoo talaga yung aking desire.
Desire.
So,
Heart's
I
desire.
was really lucky enough that napunta ako ng Amerika 2004 na nagtrabaho ako. That is one of my pride also and pride of the Philippines. 10 kami natanggap ng Hyatt Grand Champions International na try nila yung mga Filipinos. So 10 lang kami ang natanggap. Then I know the culture of Americans, law and everything. So nang umuwi ako, of course, I'm getting older, 30 years old. Gusto ko
Oh?
asawa, di ba? Ngayon, 42 na ako ha.
Hindi halata.
Ayon.
Hindi halata.
Asawa ako ng aking na-meet noon, na Amerikano. Then, from that, nakita ko yung passion mo will not really stop. Alam mo, you really want to be a
Blessing to
full-time,
others.
hands-on mom. Pero,
Yeah.
ang hirap pag andyan pa rin na, alam mo na kayang-kaya ng mga Pilipino, pero walang mga way, dahil alam mo naman ang mga Filipino.
Minsan
actually,
mahihiyain.
Pagpunta ng Amerika, kahit sino ka dito, you're nothing.
Yes,
doon.
pagdating daw.
Kasi
Pantay-pantay
dinala
lang,
na
no?
si Vina
Equal.
Morales, pinagalitan sa show namin. Hindi pwedeng umupo kasi walang artista. Lahat ng pumunta doon sa New York are all celebrities, artista, sikat. So, wala. Level
Wala.
tayo doon.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So, naisip ko,
Equal.
Kumbaga, leave your egos outside,
Outside
the
the
door.
door.
kaya
Yes.
totoo kasi minsan
Yes.
iba tayo. Kaya
Yes.
yun ang parati kong
Yes.
sinasabi na, guys, put your feet on the ground.
Yes.
Yes.
Parating humility. Kasi yung iba, kunti lang na marating, super
Oo
taas
nga.
na ng tingin sa
Oo.
sarili. Pero pagdating mo sa Paris, you're nothing. Sabi ko, kahit si Hart nga, may
Pantay-pantay
mga PR
lang.
yan, di ba? Pero pagdating
Yeah.
doon, hindi yan pinapansin. So that's the reality na paano natin pasukin yung global market na they really look at us very small. So ako kasi...
But now they look at us
Global, ang Filipinos.
with
no?
respect
Yes.
and with
Yan.
high praises because
Thanks to people like
you,
Yeah.
kikita niyo yung
Promoting
mga
the Philippines to
Yes.
the world.
mga artist natin international caliber, yung Gloria Papin, puno ng puno ang mga
recording
concert.
artist yun.
Totoo yan. So, kailangan talaga natin mga Filipino, we are really have the talent.
Yes.
At always
and,
tayo the
and the
best.
pay.
Kaya lang,
Yeah.
yung
Also.
negative part, dapat magtulungan, magpupromote sa isa't isa. At
Yes.
Hindi natin
Bawal ang
apply.
crab mentality.
Yeah, crab mentality.
Bawal.
Kasi yun ang
Wala
talaga.
na yun ngayon.
Oo. So, yun, na-ask ako at first ng isang fabric dito sa Philippines ng mga inmate gumagawa ng mga fabric nila.
Inmates?
i-model.
Inmates, we meaning
sa
prisoners?
Inmates dito.
correctional.
Yeah.
Talaga?
Sa
Correctional
Davao, di ba?
Philippines.
Davao
During
Penal-
the
Davao
pandemic.
Penal
Walang
Colony.
kita yung mga, lalo na yung mga inmates natin.
Yes,
So may
yes.
isang tao na nag-advocate dyan na mag-show at alam mo, yung ating i-promote is advocacy kasi hindi naman
Yes.
talaga model. Hindi natin makumpit ang modeling ng Amerika.
Yes.
So, isa ako sa
Advocacy.
nag-promote at na-billboard sa New York. And after that, nakita ko na hindi talaga to para sa akin is kung ako ang gagawa ng business na to or ano na to is scam kasi it's not a model. I want a company that compete to the world with our products, our modeling, our
Yeah.
designers that
Yeah.
are really good. So yun ang sinabi ko, nagpaalam ako na I still promote the product
Yes.
but I'm going to make my own company that really build portfolio and become the pride of Philippines.
Yeah, yeah.
Which is the Alegre
de
the
Pilipinas. Kasi
Yes.
naisip ko,
National.
pag Pilipinas, alam na nilang Pilipina.
Yeah.
Oo.
Pilipino yan
Yes.
at Pilipino na company yan.
Yes.
So na-launch ko sa New York Fashion Week. So
Wow.
first launch sa New York at ang una kong talagang step is to compete in America.
Yes.
Kasi para makuha ko yung loob nila, ang believe nila na we have something
Yes.
na may
To offer.
To offer to
Yeah.
the
That
world.
will be
World
Yes,
class.
at
world
ang mga
class.
Pilipino.
Yes,
Yeah.
at asset nila tayo.
Yes.
correct.
Oh,
That's
asset.
the word. Asset
Yes,
nila
asset.
tayo. As
Oo.
in Eileen, Papin.
Oh,
Like,
at saka-
yeah.
oh.
Like the Papin sisters.
Grabe ang ating standard.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
So,
High standard.
Pinuprove ko yan lahat at bumilib naman sila. So nagiging ang producer na mga kilala na takot silang mag-enter ng producer na yan kasi award-winning company, nagiging partner ko. So nag-press release kami in New York Times, naging partner ng Alegre de Pilipinas. So all Filipinas.
very
hindi na sa
lucky.
kanila
Oh.
to present
Yeah.
na, Janice, alam mo yung gusto kong i-discover yung mga talagang kailangan.
So, yung fashion show po na to, in the interest of time po, kailan po gaganapin tong yung sinasabi niyong may
Oo.
pabrika yung i-exhibit?
Yeah, kami, parati akong nagpe-present every Fashion Week. So, recently lang, we're in New York Fashion Week.
Okay.
Kasama namin si Ryan Fernandez na ating fashion designer. Nakasama namin yung Miss
Yes.
Universe, si
Okay.
Nicaragua, Miss Nicaragua. At saka, we have a coming fashion show
Yun.
in
Please,
Paris.
Paris.
This
When
coming
is this gonna be?
September 29
Okay.
in Paris.
Paris, wow.
September
September
29.
29.
So, andun tayo sa Paris. Ang dami ko ng mga designers and naka-ready na lahat. But, you know, one of the pride of Philippines is our models are supermodels.
Yes.
Like,
I
American
agree.
models from modeling agencies in Americas that
Yes.
yung mga modeling agencies nagko-connect sa akin all over the world just to be in Alegre de Pilipinas kasi nga yung brand natin is iba na.
Established.
Ayan.
So,
Iba
sa-
ang Pinoy.
Tagal na sila sa company, but my company is only a year and a half. But
Okay.
I prove a lot. At
Okay.
ayun na, kaya naka-receive ako
Then
ng
you're
award global.
anointed.
Oh,
All
Glory
right.
to God for that, diba?
Yes.
Magbabalik po tayo pagkaraan lamang po ng ilang mahalagang paalala. We'll be right back. The time for your convenience is now 2:45.
Don't go away. This portion is brought to you by Signal Travel and Tours. Service with passion, travel with fun. Contact number 0917-300-892.
Thank you, Ms. Gale Grabador and Yarden Angeles for your partnership with Pilipinas Ngayon na on Aliw Channel 23. All right?
All right. Pilipinas Ngayon na FB page. Please follow, like, and subscribe. One Lady Eliza YouTube. Nerlisa Eliza Francisco Rivera on FB. At Lady Eliza PNN on TikTok. 100,000 viewers po si Lady Eliza.
Thank you po. Thank you sa mga followers. 110,000 yata daw kanina.
Kasama ako.
Miss Eileen.
Eh ngayon,
Thank
hindi
you.
na. Half million na kasi nandito si
Dadagdagan na.
Gloria,
Oo,
nandito si
dahil
Eileen,
tapos
nandito
saka
si
Miss
Borg.
Janice
at
at
si Vanes.
Borg. Yes.
Kaya napapanood tayo ngayon sa Middle
International
East.
eh, yeah.
Oo.
Europe, America. Yes. Hello. Hello. Yes, Labor and Sunny, thank you for introducing us to Miss
Yeah.
Janice. So, Miss Eileen,
Eileen.
kailan nga ulit yung concert
Yes, again,
mo?
don't forget, this coming Saturday, April 20 po, gaganapin po ito
Sa Tikmi Dine sa Don Antonio Commonwealth, Quezon City.
at 7 p.m. po.
Yes.
7 p.m.
Entitled-
May attire ba?
Entitled,
May costume ba? Wala.
Titled,
It's dress.
Dress?
Dress.
So, kailangan bang magdamit pagpunta doon? May theme?
may...
Wala na.
Okay.
Come as you are.
Like your outfit right
Oh,
now.
wow. So, Miss Gloria, may iba pa ka ba bang event na gusto mo?
Yes po, panoorin niyo po yung pelikula na Imelda Papin, The Untold Story.
Yes.
Wow.
And it's showing where?
Showing this coming month
be announced.
nationwide to be
Oh,
announced.
secret.
Actually, what we're doing is we are having a premiere every week po nationwide. So, medyo busy pagka
Special
weekend.
screening.
Wow,
So-
abangan niyo po kung saan
Uh-huh.
sila pupunta next week
Yes.
at sa susunod pang mga week.
Yes, sa La Union po kami, April 27, tuloy-tuloy Davao, May 1, dire-diretso.
Wow.
Medyo.
Para
Saan
palang
nila makikita yun? Sa
Para palang
Facebook
biyaheng
page, no?
Pinoy.
Saan nila makikita yung mga
Facebook
event?
po
sa
ng
Facebook?
Queen Star Film Production and of course Facebook namin Eileen Papin, Eileen Grace Arcia Papin Facebook, Gloria Papin and Borge Papin and Imelda Papin.
Ayan, yung mga followers po nilang milyon-milyon.
Papin.
Abangan nyo, tingnan nyo lang lagi Facebook page kung saan sila pupunta every week. Napakaganda po ng pelikula, napanood po namin ni Yusek Robert. Talaga, ang gagaling nila.
Akala ko si
Lalo
Eileen.
si Eileen Papin,
Oo.
breakthrough.
Oo,
role
kasi
na yun.
ang alam ko lang
I
dito...
never thought na umaarte siya.
Ay, ang alam ko lang, kung humalakhak yan, talagang up to the roof.
Yung po,
Pagdating
halakhak
dun-
yan, gusto ko
pagdating dun
i-record.
sa show, pinanonood ko, si Eileen ba to? Ba't parang nagpapaiyak?
Oh, siya nga yung nagpaiyak. Alam niyo pa gusto ko hulihin yung halakhak ni Eileen. Tapos gamitin ko sa YouTube.
Ni-record.
Sisingilin niya ako ng mahal daw doon.
Ay, isa pa po,
Oh,
kuya.
sige.
May pelikula rin po akong isa pa.
Ah, talaga?
So, When Magic...
Marami na-impress sa acting niya.
When Magic Hurts po, kasama namin si Beaver, Maxine, and ang dami. And
Wow,
Lucia,
mga sikat lahat yun.
From Star Cinema.
Oh, wow. Sabi sa'yo, yung
Oh,
acting
kita mo na.
World class
Galing,
eh.
ah.
Alam mo, naiyak ako dun sa movie
Oo.
nila.
Si Gloria rin, merong... hindi, dun sa movie, nakita ko rin siya roon eh. Oo.
Si Eileen po ang gumanap,
Gumanap ng role niya. Pero in the end,
Ending na siya.
sa ending, you were shown. Special appearance. Cameo role.
Yes.
Diba?
So, Miss Janice, ano yung susunod mong event?
Gusto ko pong invite everyone to please subscribe our website www.alegredipilipinas.net. Doon po niyo makikita lahat ng aming events. Gusto niyo mag-apply, gusto niyo mag-join, mga artists, singers, lahat at saka models, designers na mga Filipino. So please subscribe, and also we gonna launch our magazine that gusto namin i-compete ng Vogue that consists of big designers of Filipino designers sa Dubai. So, Angel Estera, Chris Diamond, the editor-in-chief, and si Michael Cinco, yung mga friends namin, Brian Garcia. So, lahat yan ay kasama namin isang utak lahat sa itong magazine na to. So, I'll be there
So, mas maganda
on
pa
the
siya sa Vogue.
21st, and then for 5 days, consulate natin ng Dubai. And I'll have a show in Japan for Sakura Festival, Alegre di Pilipinas show. Doon sa
Starring
28.
Gloria and Eileen Papin.
Kasama na doon.
Pwede na natin sila pakantahin sa susunod.
Alright. Yan po ang Pilipinas ngayon na we collab. Only the best.
Yes. Only the very best.
Yes.
Pride of Philippines.
Pride of
Yes.
Because of you.
Pinoy
Ha?
pride. Yes.
Oo naman.
Yes, thank you.
Sige,
Pwede
uli na kita ulit sa RPN tour.
Everybody, if you want also to join us for the Paris Fashion Week, ongoing pa ang aming casting, and for all designers na gustong ma-discover at mapakita ang kanilang
Ayan.
galing, please i-message mo lang kami. So that will be on September 29 in Paris.
So,
Wow.
open ang doors nila sa mga budding Filipino designers.
Designers, Filipino
Binibigyan
lang
nyo ng
talaga.
pagkakataon.
So, hindi ako tumatanggap ng ibang...
Ang galing.
But yung
Tangkilikin.
mga models na nag-create ng kanilang portfolio, nag-create ng kanilang pangalan, kaya I collaborated with all the media.
Wow.
Media strategists para kami nagpapasikat kami.
Tama, ng mga
Kasali ka sa
Pilipino.
Eileen.
Ng mga
Diba,
Pilipino.
Pilipiniana, susot na.
Oo, pwede.
Yes, nice.
Pwede ko silang ipa-walk as the guest, di ba? Yung mga...
Yun, sa tangkilikin ng sariling atin.
Yes, yes.
Pinapasikat,
Kaya biruin nyo.
pinapasikat ni Miss Janice ang mga Pilipino.
Biruin nyo.
Kahit nakarating na siya sa iba't ibang bansa,
American
Pilipino pa rin ang
Queen.
kanyang
Pinopromote.
pinopromote.
Kaya
Tama
sabi ko,
yan. Bumabalik ka sa sariling bayan. Nagbabalik ka
So
sa
mga
sariling
queens
bayan.
natin in America
Hindi na-
nakasuot ng Filipino.
Oh, really?
Bagay
Yung
kay
mga
Portugal.
foreigners.
Iba yung
Pilipino
iba-iba yung
barong.
ating mga fans na promote nila ang Pilipinas. So it's because we are sister Queens, parati ko silang ini-invite.
Ayun.
Kasi alam mo, lahat gustong tumabi ng Queens, di ba? So lahat yan ay libre to promote Filipino
Wow.
creations dahil sa akin, dahil sister Queens
Yeah.
kami. Yun ang advocacy.
Yun.
So, hindi tayo magugulat mamaya yung mga royals na kapilipinyanan. Hindi nila namamalayan
Why
na
not?
national costume natin.
Oo.
Wow.
Suit-suit nila. Gustong-gusto nila yung pala. National costume natin yon.
Oo, ay gusto nila.
Oo.
Kasi lalo na pag sabihin ginawa to galing sa puso na gawin.
Oo, handmade.
Yeah,
Oo,
handmade.
yung mga barong natin,
They don't really
handmade.
care how much. Pag
Yo.
Oh, wow.
tulungan mo. At yan ang aming plan. I will have a fashion week here na sila ang
Wow.
pupunta ng Philippines promoting tourism.
Ayan. Oh, last.
May telephone
Gloria.
number ka daw? May telephone number ka daw, Miss Janice?
Oo, mayroon akong telephone number.
Yun na lang, Alegre de Pilipinas,
Oo,
International.
Alegre de Pilipinas na lang kasi dyan.
FB page yun?
Hindi
FB
yung,
page.
mayroon kaming FB page, mayroon kaming website.
Website.
Yun,
www.
Si Gloria, may FB page ka ba, Gloria?
Gloria
Ayun.
Papin.
Okay, nabot na po tayo.
Yung manonood po sa this coming Saturday,
Ay, magkano daw ang
contact
ticket?
number 2,000 with
Mura na
dinner.
yun.
Oo, pas
And-
dinodonate nila.
Contact number is 0906 003 7073.
O, tinatanong ni Ed Madrid, baka ubus na raw yung ticket.
Thanksgiving.
Baka ubos na.
Thanksgiving
Oo,
concert.
oo.
Thanksgiving concert na at the same time benefit concert.
Yes.
Di ba? Ay, sa pagkakataon. Yes, all right. Sa pagkakataon po ito, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga nakakaagapay sa broadcast led by News Director Judith Estrada Larino, Tech Engineers Aldrin Cruz, Gil John Reyes, Chat Josue, Broadcast IT JV Dominguez, Teleprompter Neil Joy, Abelia, Writers Geraldine Duhinog, Katrina Gonzalez, Jan Patrolia, Hyacinth Ludovico, C.H. Yasmin Pantalion, Jacqueline Santos, Eliza Quevedo, Interns John Lloyd Malinay, Aizen Lois Moises. Susunod na programa po, Senyor Balita with Senyor Ray Pacheco. Thank you, Chairman D. Edgar A. Cabangon, EVP GM Attorney Rante, VP Dance Antinor. This is Lady Eliza saying thank you all for your precious time and active participation. Enjoy God's very best daily because He loves you very, very
Much. And as always, this is Robert Rivera saying, don't forget to do good the way these ladies are doing, for it is in so doing that God is well pleased. I'd like to thank LB, our station manager in RPN Cebu, for nominating us.
Yes.
We share this award and this honor with you and Miss Janet
Lazo. of
So until next week, para sa isa na naman pong edisyon ng inyong paboritong programang Pilipinas.
Ngayon na!
See you all again. We say mabuhay!
Bye!